Apparently this is the best fish and chips in Kent. We are in the town of Margate today. We can actually see the sea right now. So, allegedly, this place is actually, there's some Fortnum and Mason connection here. Was that the Tracy Emin thing that was at King's Cross St Pancras? The pink sign? What does it say? Light bite meals. New low calorie. I'm not sure if the low calorie chips are a prank or not as well. Unless they're like oven roasted or something. Ah, what the hell? You got some pies though. It's not pork enough for me. What's the connection with Fortnum and Mason here?
It was July last summer. We had like a collaboration with them. They contacted Pete and were like,
Oh, so it's like,
want to do a collaboration for July.
Please could I have 2 medium cod, 2 battered sausages.
Large or small?
Small, please. A large chips, please. Some chicken nuggets. A pickled egg, please. Just dessert. And what's the deal with the low calorie chips?
That was an April Fool's thing from our boss today, I think.
Knew it. I knew it was a prank. I thought they were going to be like oven roasted chips or something like that.
In the air fryer.
Yeah.
To get curry sauce as well.
Oh yeah, I forgot about curry sauce. It's the best. Apart from beans. Oh yeah, what we got in here? What's the green?
That's a pea fritter.
What's that like?
So all wash your peas, battered and fried.
Oh, could we try that, please? We're only in Margate once. Is that a Margate delicacy?
Yeah, it is a bit. Salt and vinegar on the chips.
Salt and vinegar, please. Go there.
That would be 31.60.
Thank you. Thank you. Serious selection. Oh, let's go. Thank you, guys. I would say, shall we eat on the beach? Shall we eat on the beach? Let's try a beach somewhere. Oh no, something like. And you? Do you know? Are you from Margate?
Just moved here, man.
Oh really? Any light spots on the beach anywhere?
Not really. The lighthouse is nice, but I think it's too dark now.
Yeah.
Maybe just hit the beach.
Maybe just get the flash on.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
See ya. Why can't I spit my words out today? What's that? See ya. Something like that. You gonna bloody help me with this? Yeah, we'll just sit at the beach. Right, let's dig in. A little. So £31.60 for the lot, which I actually think we've got a good array of food here. We've got no one to give eye contact to here, which is great. I think that's the chips. Whoa. Chicken nuggets. Oh, we've got the pea fritter there. You know, it's a good little hack because all the seagulls are actually currently sleeping right now. They're not even going to come and attempt chicken nugget curry sauce. That chicken nugget is great. Chip. Great chips, good potato flavour. Right, let's preload you. Oh yes. Give that a big dip. That is a gorgeous piece of fish. Very light, easy to eat. My mum actually used to have an ex-boyfriend that came from Margate. I've never been, I was always intrigued. It could be some of the best chips I've ever had. Time for the big moment. I am not the biggest mushy pea lover around here, but there's a first time for everything. I might love it. It's really not that bad. It's actually really not that bad. This is not bad. Light work. The egg. If you like pickled eggs, you'll love that one. We are now in training for my first ever food challenge. I basically do it every day anyway. So if you got any suggestions, guys, just write them in the comments in the down below section. Come on in. It's got to be a bit somewhere. Great little fish and chips experience. Nice friendly people inside there. Everything was just like a little bit like light sort of vibes. General West. Yeah, a really nice, enjoyable little meal. Come on, let's get this training going.